The 10 best jobs you can get with an associate degree. The best associate degree jobs involve skilled, specialized work in growing fields. Explore our guide on lucrative associate degree careers. If you are looking for a lucrative career that only requires a degree from a two-year school, you may be surprised at the number of options. Many careers that can net you over $60,000 annually only require an associate degree. The best associate degree jobs are highly specialized and require strong skills in critical thinking and technical know-how. Read on for the 10 best associate degree jobs that offer plentiful job opportunities, high salaries, and strong professional satisfaction. 10 in demand career. You can start with an associate degree. In curating this associate degree job list, we look
Hello,
for three
ChatGPT for
desirable
English
qualities:
Smarter. It
higher
is
than average
chatbot
salary,
that it
optimistic projected employment growth, appealing to those with strong technical, computer, and critical thinking skills. We also selected jobs based on whether or not you can land them with the most popular two-year degrees, such as an associate degree in business administration. Read on for our list of the top 10 careers you can get with an associate degree. Keep in mind several of the careers included here generally require a bachelor but might allow for an associate plus professional certification. 1. Computer sport specialist. Computer sports specialist help maintain computer network and offer technical support to different organizations and computer users. They may specialized in computer network or user support and need strong technical and communication skills to succeed. The US Bureau of Labor Statistics BLS projects 9% growth in computer network specialist boost from 2020 to 30. You can typically find entry level to advanced work as a computer support specialist with an associate degree in computer science or other computer IT related major. Earning a professional certification may help you get a job. Consider the Electronics Technician Association Certified Network Technician credential or on Microsoft various certification for computer support. Second, dental hygienist. Dental hygienists provide preventative oral care to patients such as brushing patient teeth and monitor the progression of oral diseases. They are also responsible for assessing patients' oral health and sharing their notes with the dentist. The BLS predicts that normal hygienists will see an employment growth rate of 11% from 2020 to 30. Working as a dental hygienist requires earning an associate in dental hygiene, which typically takes 3 years and combined classroom learning with clinical and lab elements. Many colleges and trade schools offer online programs. Dental hygiene programs are accredited by the Commission on Dental Accreditation.